Does it really matter if we belong? Should we simply aim to just fit into a culture and a team? This workshop explores how to motivate employees through the lens of belonging, safety, and connectedness. This TCS Signature Workshop, Creating Our Culture Code, is designed for the leader who understands the pivotal role that culture plays on high-performing and high-purpose teams. When we feel safe, we can admit when we've made a mistake or a wrong turn. When we feel like we belong, we can show up as our authentic selves. We can raise our hand to be original and be innovative. And when we feel connected, we can truly be engaged, go above the basics, and ask, what more can I do? Because we're serving something higher than just receiving a paycheck. If you're ready to lead differently and transform the environments in which your teams work and thrive, Creating Our Culture Code is the workshop for you.